Alright, since your Google Nest Doorbell, the battery version is not charging, even not turning on. It just keeps showing offline, a black screen in live view in your Google Home app. Well, this video will show you all the fixes to get it working once again. So first, you're gonna remove the doorbell from its mount. To release the base plate, use the included release tool or a paper clip, SIM ejector tool wherever it's available to you. Insert it into the small hole at the top of the doorbell, gently press inwards, and the base plate will detach. Now here's something important to know. Once the doorbell is removed from the base plate, it will get powered off completely. So in that case, we'll first try restarting it manually. Take a SIM ejector, paper clip, or pin, whatever is available to you but not sharp, and look at the small pinhole at the back of the doorbell. Press and hold the button inside for exactly 5 seconds. If the doorbell powers on with a white LED, that's a sign the restart was successful. If nothing happens, the battery may be fully discharged. So in that case, connect the doorbell to a charger and just let it charge for a while. Now, if it still isn't charging, make sure the charging cable is fully inserted. Try unplugging and plugging back and forth a few times to ensure the proper connection. If it's still not charging, even after leaving it for, a couple of hours maybe, next you're going to inspect the charging port for any dust, debris, or moisture that could prevent charging. If necessary, just gently clean the port with a soft brush. If it's still not charging, you're going to make sure you're using the original charging cable and a functional adapter that came with the device. If you're already using those for a while, try a different USB cable or a power adapter or both. And you know what? Before doing so, test them with another device to confirm they are working properly. If the other device is charging, put it into charge. And if there is no hardware issue with the doorbell or its battery, it should begin charging. Now, while the doorbell is plugged in, charging, you can press the doorbell button to hear a voice prompt announcing the current battery level and estimated charging time remaining. So let's say after charging for about 30 minutes or an hour, unplug the doorbell and try the manual restart again by pressing the reset pinhole for 5 seconds, like we've shown you at the beginning of the video. And now hopefully the doorbell will power on this time. Once it does, mount it back onto the base plate and just go ahead reinstall it on the wall. Just give it a few moments to reconnect to Wi-Fi and come back online. And you can then open Google Home app and check the live camera feed to confirm that the doorbell is now powered on and working properly and normally once again. That's all for today. See you at the next one.